Harley Davidson, throughout the years, has used a number of different style wire connectors, wire plugs, and gauges and colors of wire. Before you attempt any wire repair or troubleshooting procedure, always reference your service manual for the correct color code with tracer color, and connector style. This connector here, what's commonly known as the Deutsch connector, not Deutsch or Deutsch connector, is the latest generation from Harley Davidson. The connector is a simple connector. It works by releasing and pulling away a single lock tab. With the plug connector half removed, you can then grab the face of the plug retainer, pull it gently away. You don't need to remove it from the connector. You'll then note that there is an oblong portion. You'll want to stick either a paper clip or a fine metal tool in there. You'll push on the particular wire from the back, push it to the front, and you can remove the wire from the connector plug. With the Deutsch style connector removed, you can clearly see there's a very small tab that keeps the connector in place into the housing. When you're reinstalling them, make sure they are headed the correct direction and that you not only insert them fully, when reinserting the wire with connector back into the housing, make sure that it's in the correct direction. It should slide freely. If you need to force it, chances are you're doing something wrong. Make sure that you hear an audible click as it re-engages into the socket housing, and then return the inner retainer back to its original position. At this point, always gently tug on the particular wire that you've removed or reinstalled. Make sure it's secure. When reconnecting these plugs, make sure that they're clean. Make sure that everything is lined up and slides together freely. And again, you hear a nice audible click when you snap the two housing halves back together. You'll find these connectors are all over the motorcycle. Again, if you need to do any type of wiring with the Deutsch style, Deutsch style, or Deutsch style as they're correctly pronounced, make sure you're aware what color wire in, what color wire out of a particular connection, and make sure you make yourself familiar with any specialty tools that may be needed in order to perform the correct operation for a wire repair or replacement.